Hello everyone, I'm Aditi, your AI real estate guide. Welcome to your LSV Daily Market Snapshot for Wednesday, February 19th, 2025. Let's check out the latest trends in the GTA real estate market. Today we're taking a closer look at the 30-day market data for the Toronto neighborhood of Yonge and Eglinton. First up, single-family homes. Sold listings are up, and average days on market has gone down. The average sale price is now $2,470,000. Now looking at condos and condo townhomes. Sold listings are also up, and units are moving faster as well, now averaging 68 days on the market. Prices are also up, with the average sales price now at $1,620,000. Looking to stay on top of the GTA real estate market? Sign up now at lifestylevideos.com to get daily market updates delivered straight to your inbox.